Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make your profile photo visible only to your contacts in WhatsApp for PC after the recent update. If you want to add a bit more privacy while still letting your friends see who's messaging them, this quick guide is all you need. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're using Windows or Mac, the layout is the same. Once the app is open, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it to open your WhatsApp settings. In the settings menu, find and click on privacy. This is where you'll control who can see your personal information, like your last seen, status, and profile photo. Now, inside the privacy section, look for profile photo, click on it. Here you'll notice a few options: everyone, my contacts, and sometimes nobody, depending on your version. To share your photo only with the people you've saved in your contacts, select my contacts. By doing this, only the people whose numbers you have saved in your phone will be able to see your profile picture. Anyone who isn't in your contacts will just see a blank avatar instead. It's a simple way to control who sees your identity without having to block or remove anyone. Once you've chosen my contacts, your settings are saved automatically. There's no need to hit a save button. You can now close the settings window and continue chatting. That's it. You've successfully set your profile photo visibility to my contacts using the WhatsApp app on your PC. These new privacy options are part of WhatsApp's ongoing efforts to give users better control over their personal information. If this video helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.